Here we are, start of Appalachian Trail. Woody Gap to Hogpen. We just got dropped off by the shuttle. We're about a quarter mile of the way in. Got Brian right behind me here. It's 49 degrees. Expecting to get down below 30 degrees tonight, so we'll see how that turns out. And that's it for now. We'll check in later. Here we are on Saturday morning, October 26th. We're at campsite. We did about 4 miles yesterday. We started about 4:45. Slept last night in about 32 to 31 degree weather according to the Garmin. And we're just wrapping up breakfast here at the campsite. Sun's out. It's about 9:15. It looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. Here's a look at the surroundings. There's Brian. Say hi, Brian.
Hi, Brian.
There's the campsite. It's my tent. There's his tent. There's our water source down below. And that's it for now. Signing off. Alright. Walking on the Appalachian Trail, day 2. It's right about noon. Temperatures are in the probably about mid 40s, upper 40s by now. It was about 40 when we left late this morning, but it's going to be a beautiful day here up in North Georgia. It's extreme, very sunny, no clouds. As you can see around me, there's a lot of leaves on the ground. Still a lot of green leaves on the trees, so they're in the midst of changing, but couldn't ask for a better day. And right now we got about just under 4 miles to get to Blood Mountain. So that's the highest peak on the Appalachian Trail in the state of Georgia. It's 4,467 feet. We'll stop when we get there. We'll take some pictures. Maybe do another video. So check in later. See ya. We're at the top of Blood Mountain.
Now that looks high over there. Straight
Got
across.
our campsite set up. What you saying, Brian?
Just looking at the scenery.
Top of Blood Mountain, we have universal view. Tents are set up right here. Even got a campfire ring, which you probably won't use. Get set up. Alright, here we are at the top of Blood Mountain. We got a nice little nifty camp spot here. Here's the view. There's my tent drying out. Here's our spot. Room for 2 tents. Both Big Agnes Copper Spur. One's a UL1, one's a UL2. We're going to do a little gear review here. Here's the Osprey Atmos 65. Gregory's E65. My sleeping bag is Marma Arroyo 30 degree bag. Brian's got the Mountain Hardware Phantom 32. Is that right?
Yeah.
How do you like it?
It's great. Had low 30s last night. No complaints.
Pretty cold?
Now, you can feel it a touch, but could have went lower.
What kind of sleeping pad do you have?
What is it?
Thermarest?
The Thermarest
Neo Air?
Neo Air, the ultralight.
You like it?
It's a little noisy, but it's quieter than the new generation one. So it sounds noisy, but once you use it, it really doesn't bother you.
Cool. Warm?
Last night, you could feel a little bit, but overall, yeah.
Nice. And I got the ProLite Plus by Thermarest. It's pretty good. Weighs about a pound more than Brian's. And it's not quite as thick, but it's pretty durable. I do think I want to upgrade. I want to get the same thing he has, because I'm a side sleeper and on my stomach it just comes out a little bit more comfortable. Also, my other upgrade, right now I have the Brunton aluminum pot. It's a Brunton stove. Can't remember what the model is. I think it's a Raptor. He's got the Raptor also. They work really well. But this is my next purchase right here. Is this a Snow Peak or MSR?
Snow Peak, the cup.
Snow Peak titanium. Thing's awesome. Perfect size. What else we got here? Here's my TPS device. It's a Garmin. What is this? Dakota 20. Just dropped it on the rock. Oh, let's go over what I just had for chow. This is really good. I want to get this again. Cinnamon muesli and milk by Backpacker Pantry. Very good. I put warm water in it. It's like eating nice warm oatmeal. Brian's cooking up something here, one of his creations. Some type of breakfast enchilada thingy. He's got whole wheat tortilla shells he's going to put it on. That's pretty much it. Once again, here's our spot.
Will be cleaner later.
And here's our view.
Look at the sunset.
Overlooking the sunset over North Georgia. It's beautiful. Alright, later. Well, here we are, top of Blood Mountain, morning of Sunday, October 26th. It's about 45 degrees right now. We got down to about 41 last night, but the winds were howling all night long. This is kind of pleasant for sleeping. You can still see a little bit around me with the trees moving, the leaves, the wind is still moving very strong, but overall it's a very pleasant morning. The sun is coming up just over there. Probably get eclipsed. But here's our campsite. Everything was really good last night. Went to bed around 8 o'clock. And it's about 8:15 right now in the morning. So I'm gonna make some coffee, work our way down the trail, finish up the trail today, and then get out of here early tomorrow morning to head back to Florida. So that's it. See you. Saw deer. I just saw a deer. We're on the home stretch, 4 miles from Hogpen. We just stopped at the store at Neil's Gap. It's nice out, 54 degrees. At the top of some ridge, I'm not sure where we are. Trail, steady decline, not too rough. Probably the toughest elevation climb or descent was coming down Blood Mountain. The side that we came down would have been really tough to climb up, but we have a tough climb ahead of us before we get to our car. So we're enjoying this easy part right now. It's about 1:15. Expect to hit the water spot in the next mile or two, so we'll stop and eat lunch then. And yeah, it's just perfect out here right now. 54 degrees. A little bit of cloud cover today, but you get warm when you're hiking, so this feels great. We'll take it. Nice vegetation all over the ground, leaves are falling. Starting to change in the trees, you see some good color variation. And here we go, down some more steps. And I'm going to turn it off right now. Alright, we are almost done. We are at near Hogpen Gap. Looking down at the valley below. It's beautiful scenery. We just went through Tesnati, climbed up a very, very steep incline in a very short distance. And we are near our car. But what you're looking at right here, we hiked to the top of that ridge line to the far left of the screen, and then up across the ridge line, and we were just right over there a short while ago. Spent the last half of the day doing this, and then down below, which you can't really see, is Tesnati Gap, and then behind me over here we're at the top approaching Hogpen. Just beautiful scenery. And then just beneath me is a very steep cliff off this rock. And that's it. Signing off.